Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make Italian meatballs, and the first step to that is a clean kitchen. With that, I recommend a clean surface and a clear sink. The next step is always washing your hands. This way our cooking can begin with as little contaminants as possible. Let's get cooking. So first off, you'll need a mixing bowl, and into the bowl we'll throw about a pound of ground beef. If you like, you can split that with a quarter or a half a pound of sausage. Okay, and along with that, you'll need 1 egg, half a cup of parmesan, half a cup of breadcrumbs, mine are Italian, some garlic, basil, salt, chili flakes, and fresh ground black pepper. So let's dump that into the bowl. And then we'll add the parmesan. The egg. And this time we'll only add about half of the breadcrumbs. If you make this recipe yourself, I would add the parmesan and breadcrumbs gradually. This way you don't add too much. As much as I wish I could mix it with a spoon, hands are always the way to go. This way there's much more control and you'll get a better mix. So at this point, let's preheat our oven to 400 degrees. I do it here in the prepping because I'm a slow prepper. You'll also want to get your baking sheet or dish ready. Using tin foil makes the cleanup process a lot easier. Make sure to add cooking oil or spray to your foil to minimize your meatballs getting stuck. So with this, we'll get our meat rolled into balls. I'd say for reference, aim for the size of golf balls, maybe slightly smaller or larger depending on your personal preference. As I roll these out, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. Basically, I like to cook. Maybe I'll do a small fact about myself each video, but who knows? So I made 16 meatballs and it was only about half the mix, maybe less. So now that the oven's preheated, we'll put them in. In they go. And see you soon. So we'll set the timer for 20 minutes. And while they cook, I'll put my leftover raw meat into the fridge. I'll make more meatballs later and I'll freeze them for another time. You can also flip them halfway through, but it isn't always necessary. After 20 minutes, let's see. So they're a little fatty, a little cheesy, and ready to come out of the oven. I hope you enjoyed the video today. You can do whatever you want with them, but I paired mine with spaghetti. Thank you for watching and have a good day.